Hello. In this example, we will explain how to use the new features that we are adding to Quick Pallet Maker regarding exporting box coordinates files from pallets. When we create pallets with Quick Pallet Maker, each box has its own placement on the pallet. The ones in the bottom layer will have a vertical value or a Z value of 0. The ones on the second layer will have a value that is equal to the height of the original boxes, and so on. Those numbers, the X, Y, and Z values, are important for robot palletizers because they can use that input and places the boxes exactly where you want them. So in this example, we will explain how it's done. The first step is to create a new data sheet from the box on pallet. We can use the default dimensions and we can enter any arrangement. In this case, we have centimeters and we're going to create boxes that have 32 by 18 by 20 centimeters and a weight of 5 kilograms. We add the box and we see the drawing. We're going to use, just to simplify the file, a lower pallet when it's 100 centimeters tall maximum. Recalculate, tools, recalculate, and then we obtain 3 pallet arrangements. The first one is with the boxes lengthwise, the second one, transversal boxes, and the third one, the boxes are optimized. We can click on the pallet drawing until we see the top view. Here, boxes lengthwise, transversal, and optimized, which this is a spiral pattern. Okay, so let's export the box coordinates file. But first, we're going to check the settings. And in the settings, we see that now we have the preference window has been redesigned, and we have a button here for box coordinates. We can set the coordinates for the default values before, which were taking the top corner of the box, or we can use the box center. And here we have also the coordinates of the pallet. They previously used to be in the left pallet corner, top left corner, and now they're in the middle. And the direction of the Y value, y-axis, is upwards. Okay. Once we have that, click OK, and then we export the file. So we go export pallet box coordinates, and we will create a comma-delimited file, or .csv, comma separated values. We just call it box coordinates 10. Okay, and we save it. This file can be opened with a spreadsheet. So we're gonna use, here we open it with Excel, and we look for the one we just saved, and we have the values. Okay, you see here, here are the boxes from the first layer. Okay, there are a total of 15 boxes. As you can see, cases per layer, 15, or also called tie, and we have those 15 boxes here. Then we have the X values, which are from the center of the pallet towards the right is positive, from the center of the pallet towards the left is negative. So we have positive value of 32 for these boxes, 0 for the ones in the middle, 32 for the ones on the right, 0 for the ones in the middle, and minus 32 for the ones on the left. Okay, minus 32, 0, and 32. As for Y, okay, we have the one that's in the middle, this box that's in the middle has a Y value of 0. These first boxes are 36, 18, then we have minus 18 and 36. Okay, those are the coordinates. X, Y, because Z are the vertical coordinates, but X is this way, Y upwards. Okay, and that's pretty much how it works. If we exported this other palette, we would get a more complex arrangement. Okay, because we have, in this case, we have more cases per layer, but we more or less could identify it. And this especially, these spreadsheets or this data is especially useful for robots. So they read these values, They know which box it is, it's box 1, and they place the box on the pallet. Thank you.